Hey, my name is Natalie. Welcome to this tutorial on how to use Google Forms for surveys. Surveys are an important tool for collecting information from people, and Google Forms makes it easy to create, distribute, and collect responses. In this video, we will take you through all the major steps to make, distribute, and collect responses using Google Forms. To start, you will need to sign in to your Google account and go to Google Forms. You can find it in the Google Apps menu in your web browser. Once you are on the Google Forms page, you can click on the blank form option to create a new survey. You give your survey a title and begin adding questions to it. Alternatively, on the home page, you can also click on the template gallery to choose from the provided templates. Google has this library and you can choose from the provided templates. I'm going to use this one. Step number 2 is to add in questions. To add a question, you click on the plus icon and then you select the type of question you want to add. You can add a variety of question types, including multiple choices, checkbox, short answer, long answer, and more. You can customize also the question by adding options, hints, and images. You can duplicate this question. You can mark it as a required. You can import questions. You can add the title and the description. You can make it bold. You just need to highlight it and then turn into bold. You can mark it as italic or underline. And you can also remove the formatting. If you click on these 3 lines, you can add your description. You can add an image or a video where you copy a YouTube video URL and then you paste it here. You can also align your images to left, center align, to change or to remove. So you have a ton of options to customize and to add your questions. So all you have to do is to choose a question type that best fits your needs. Google Online Forms is a free service as part of the Google Online suite of tools, the G Workspace. Currently, you pay $12 a month if you use the business standard plan. However, if you are signing to Google with a personal account, it's completely free to use. For example, let's add the feedback type. So you enter here. It's a multiple choice, and then you just click and then change to your text. You can add an image, add another. Option 2 is questions, bug reports, and feature requests. You can mark them all to required. You can rearrange questions by dragging and dropping them in the preferred order. My suggestion is to apply required settings to essential questions so that your respondents cannot submit the form without answering them. So, after you have added your questions, you can customize the look of your form. I'm happy with my form now. And if you click here in this bottom, you can change the font, the text, the colors, the background color. You can also add images and videos to make your survey more engaging. Make sure you design a visual appealing form in order to encourage respondents to complete it. Number 5 step is to preview and test your form. This really helps identify potential issues or flaws so that you can make necessary improvements before sharing it. So to do that, you just need to click on this eye icon to preview your form. test the form now by answering questions, navigating through sections, and ensuring that everything is functioning as intended. Look for any design, functionality, or question issues that need addressing. Once you have created your survey, you can distribute it to your audience. You can do this by sharing the link via email, social media, or embed it on your website. All you have to do is to click the save button like this, and you can also limit the responses to specific people by using the send form feature and sending them to their email address. You have 3 options: by email, by link, or to embed it. I will show you in a minute how to embed it on your WordPress website. If you do want to embed the Google form in your WordPress website, it's very easy. I'm in my WordPress dashboard and I'm using the Cadence theme to embed it. Let's open this blog post. You first need to copy this HTML code, copy, and then inside your WordPress dashboard, you click here to add a new block. Search for HTML. All you have to do is to paste here the HTML code into this HTML block. Update, and you are done. Now your website visitors are able to see the Google form and they can immediately fill it out. The final step is to collecting the responses. Evaluating the results provides valuable insights that can inform you for future decisions and actions on the Google Forms page. You can also see the results in the form of charts and graphs and export them to Excel or Google Sheets. So to do that, you just need to access the Responses tab. To export to Google Sheets, all you have to do is to click on the button. It will take you to your Google Sheets environment with every detail possible. As a bonus, I'm gonna show you how to create a desktop shortcut using Chrome for your Google Forms web app. So you open Google Chrome. It's best if you make this as your default web browser. Then you launch the Google Forms web app of the Google Form web app. Now you open the Chrome menu by clicking on these 3 dots line. Click More Tools and then click on Create Shortcut. On this next pop-up box dialog, indicate the name of the shortcut and then click Create. The shortcut icon will now appear on your desktop. You can also repeat the same steps to create another shortcut for the other web apps. And that's it. In conclusion, Google Forms is a great tool for creating surveys, collecting responses, and analyze data. With the easy-to-use interface and flexibility, anyone can create a survey in minutes and start collecting responses from your audience. I am sure you would enjoy watching the next video. It's about the new trending AI tool, so I recommend you click on the video you are seeing on the screen right now. Please like this video or subscribe to this channel so the YouTube algorithm displays to more people like you. It really helps me out. And thank you so much for watching. I see you soon. My name is Natalie. Bye.